Hi guys, it's Killing here from Nimbus. Today I want to present to you Delta P. So I kind of got tired of carrying this huge ball around when working with shocks and working on different domains. So we've co-developed a system that we've been using for almost 2 years now of having just as much of a punch into a smaller bottle that you can carry around and have with you in any circumstances. So Delta P presents itself as is. All it is a smaller bottle that's going to carry up to 1500 psi of nitrogen. Then you have your main pressure release with a small button that allows you to just add air, add nitrogen in this case. Your main manometer, and then your pressure regulator right here. It all connects to a Schrader valve at the end. All the flexible hoses are adjustable, so you can have a longer or shorter version of it depending on your use case. So now you may be wondering, how do I refill these bottles? It's fairly simple. We have a head system that's going to connect to your standard nitrogen bottle that you can get into any kind of store. All we're going to do is connect and thread the bottle into that system until it hits the bottoming out points. Once we get there, we can observe the manometer. I'm simply going to open and stop at the pressure I want. In this case, it's going to be 1500 psi. And I can just go ahead and unscrew my bottle. And that's it, we're done. Okay, so now what happens? I'm gonna grab my pressure head and just screw everything back in. Really simple. I'm gonna get a hard point right about here and then just half turn, and that's it, we're all good to go. So now you're probably wondering, how easy is it to do the pressure change? So on this Jeep Gladiator right here, we've completely removed the spring and fitted one of our oleo-pneumatic units. And now what we're gonna do is fill it up, and you'll see how easy it is. So I'm just gonna press the button like we spoke about before. And there we go, there's 600 psi. So now say I wanna release some pressure. I'm just gonna release the small knob and I can stop wherever I need it to. 500. 400 and all the way down.